Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore, the sales and support point for BricsCAD in India. In this BricsCAD video, I'm going to tell you something about a new feature which was introduced in BricsCAD 20.1, and that is called clickable command line options. Now, if you start a command like pedit, you can see that there is a clickable option here. For example, I can select this polyline and you can see that there's edit vertex, open, decurve, fit, join, and so on. So if I click on the letter E of the edit vertex, you can run the command without keyboard. So it's an entirely mouse clickable option. But in some displays, it is often difficult to see this first character. So there is a way to change the color of the first character of the clickable option so that you can see it better. And that is controlled from the settings here. Go to settings and go to program option. Under that, go to system. So open the system tab and then scroll down near the bottom. So here you can see that there is command line settings and you can see the option here, command line option shortcut color. So the clickable letter within the command is called as the shortcut, and that shortcut can be specified with a different color. So you can see that now the color is red, so I'm going to change it to yellow for example and say OK, and then once again I'm going to start the pedit command. So you can now see that the clickable character is in yellow color. On different displays, the clickable character is sometimes not very clear and you may need to choose a color which best suits your display. You can also change the color directly from the command line, and that's simple as well. Just type CMD LINE. So that brings up a quick search of all the commands starting with CMD line, and then you type OPT, so which is command line options. If you just use the arrow and reach this point, you can see command line options shortcut color. So that's a long system variable, but all you need to do is just click enter there and choose your color here. Now you need to enter the color in the RGB code, or simple colors like red, green, yellow can just be entered by typing it here. So if I type green, you can see that already the command line clickable highlight character is already turned to green. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and do let me know if you have any questions.